Hi there, students. Venial, venial, venial. This is an adjective. It describes a minor mistake, a minor fault, a minor sin. Something that's not big, it's not serious. You can have a deadly sin, a cardinal sin. So murder is not venial. But I forgot to buy some milk on the way home from work. That's venial. It's not something that's seriously wrong. It's a minor error, a minor breaking of the rules, a lesser sin. It's not a major mortal sin. So forgetting your friend's birthday is a venial mistake that you can fix with an apology and a nice present. Okay, so venial, a venial mistake, easy to forgive. The teacher ignored the venial spelling mistakes in my essay. Arriving 2 minutes late to class is a venial offence. I forgave him for his venial white lie. The priest spoke about how people can seek mercy for their venial sins. Stealing a bar of chocolate is bad, but it's venial compared to robbing a bank, for example. So, venial, a mistake or an error or a sin that's pardonable, something that's forgivable, a venial transgression, a venial offense. Yeah, it's not God is not going to send you to hell for a venial transgression, for doing something that is not very serious. It's better not to do it, but it may, so a venial mistake might injure a friendship, but it's not going to break it. So this is about forgiveness. It can easily be forgiven. And let's see, you have. I think this comes from religion. I think from probably the Catholic religion. You have venial sins that separate you completely from God. Those are breaking the Ten Commandments. Whereas a venial sin is easy to forgive. A venial sin might occur without your full knowledge. And venial sins, they are viewed as real sins, but they're not severe, they're not mortal sins. So venial, not serious, able to be forgiven, something that, yeah, you're not going to kill them for it. So lying to avoid hurting someone's feelings could be considered a venial offence. Forgetting to return a borrowed book is a venial mistake. Ignoring a friend's phone call is a venial fault. Occasional, not consistent, lateness to work is venial misconduct. Using mild swear words is considered venial impropriety. Neglecting to water your plants for a day or two is venial neglect, but forgetting to do it for several weeks, that's different. So the difference between a venial sin and a mortal sin. Venial sins are relatively minor, and they're easy to forgive because they're not serious, easily excused, easily forgiven. Venial faults are excusable, they're forgivable, they're pardonable. Now, don't confuse this word with venal. Venal. Venal is something that is a very bad, something that's bad to do. Something that you really shouldn't have done. So venal is about saying that anything can be had if the price is high enough and the morals are low enough. So don't confuse venal with venial. Venal, capable, open to corrupt influence, open to bribery. That's venal, a venal arrangement with the police. This is about corruption, something that you can buy. Any uh, mercenary, open to bribery, but venial, easily forgiven. Um, let's see. This comes from late Latin, venialem, pardonable, venia, forgiveness. So venial, um, formality. Hmm. 7 in formality, 6.5. It's on the semi-formal side. And frequency of use, I would say low to medium, low frequency. So venial. Bye for now.